Hi all, good day. This is Nikisha Francis and welcome to Vegan Bites with Nikki. Today I wanted to share with you some vegan essentials that is great for anyone who is thinking about becoming a vegan or who is now starting their vegan journey and wondering, what are some must-haves, what are some kitchen essentials, and I just wanted to do a quick video to share with you all some things that I always have in my kitchen that makes life easier for me, right? So let's get started. All right, so these are my main essentials, right? This is my organ protein powder. So yes, protein, because everyone always asks, what does vegan have for protein? Like, what do we do to get protein? So we have decided this is the protein powder that we use currently and what we have found to be the best in our home. So this is the organ protein, and I like this Joe the Juicer book. It's actually it's Reboot with Joe, right? So sometimes, being the person that I am that likes to eat out and all of that, sometimes your body do feel like just overwhelmed. Even though you are eating vegan, your body do feel overwhelmed from some of the processed stuff. So I do a reboot ever so often. I do it 3 days or 5 days, and this book is what I use to get my recipes from as it relates to juicing. And this is the juicer that I use. It's a slow juicer, so it's the masticating juicer, and it's cold press, right? So this is the juicer. This is actually a part for it, but yeah, I put it on when I'm using it. And I got this on Amazon. I'm going to leave the link for you, so if you're interested in getting a juicer, I do highly recommend this one. I also, food wise, cheese. Yes, because my husband and son especially really misses cheese and love cheese. So the one prior to Whole Foods bringing out their 365 brand, I used to love the Chow. I still do the Chow brand, but honestly this Whole Foods 365 brand of cheese is really good. It melts well, it tastes well, so I like it. It's one that we almost always have in the fridge. I typically buy the shredded ones though, because it's easier to just put into anything, into some pasta, into a sandwich, into anything. But they did not have it in stock, so I got the slices, right? And of course my So Vegan in 5 cookbook. Yes, so this is easy 5 ingredient recipes. You get easily to get started as a vegan. And I use the Forks Over Knives app. I download the app. I paid $4.99. I use that app as well. One of my best purchases is this little cooker, an instant pot actually. It's an instant pot, and this has been like a godsend for me, because when you have peas to make and you have things to cook, you can just leave it in there. So even though some recipes you may not necessarily tell you use an instant pot, but it may be a recipe that they just tell you, okay, mix the rice with this and with the peas, and okay, so then throw everything in there, add your seasonings, put it in for a few minutes, and 15-20 minutes you have a meal. So this is really highly recommended as well, and I will leave a link to it for you as well in the comments so that you can take a look at it, right? One thing that I do not have here because I used it yesterday is Beyond Meat. When you are transitioning, I know a lot of people will be like, oh, if I'm feeling for a burger, if I'm feeling for some sausages or something, like what happens there? So yeah, I do but purchase Beyond Meat almost every week when it is I'm doing my grocery shopping, or every other week at least. I will either get the Beyond sausages or the Beyond Burgers, and we will have that the week that I purchase it. Now this is my preference. Some people prefer other brands of burgers or so, but this is just what I like and my family likes it, right? So that's, I would say, like our vegan staples. Don't overthink it. It's really not too much. You get your seasonings, use the recipe books, etc., and use these equipments along with your regular things at home, and you'll be good to go. So being a vegan does not have to be boring. It doesn't have to be expensive. It does not have to be hard. You can just get started, and these are the essentials. If you're a vegan, you can think about anything else that I missed out or that has been essential for you. Feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Okay, so this is Nikisha Francis with Vegan Bites with Nikki, and thank you for tuning in. Next time, bye.